Hello everyone, this is my first ever time to do any kind of things like unboxing. So this is my Mavic Air, which I obtained from the DJI free Mavic Air trial program. So this is still officially a property of the DJI Corporation. So anyway, I'll start unboxing this thing. So the delivery is so quick. I just received an email from DJI yesterday, and today by noon I've already got this nice little package from DHL. Of course, I'm in Hong Kong and their plant is in Shenzhen, which is quite near, so I guess this is the reason why I can get this so quickly. So, unboxing this one, some foam, which I will put aside, and this nice little Mavic Air. I got the black one, so actually I still got my Mavic Pro Fly More combo box, so you can compare by the size of this box. Of course, this is the combo, this is not a combo, this is just one Mavic Air inside. But anyway, let's see what's inside. So, on the top is this thing and more. I got some little compartments in here. The remote controller. Yeah, and I guess it's everything. Well, inside this hard case, this is the DJI newly on sale Mavic Air, which is really so small. And I got some chargers here, the socket, and some USB cable, and other USB-C cable. And in this thing, yeah, you got the propeller guard. Well, I better put away this cutter, and some spare parts, the propellers, and some manual, yeah, and the DJI Care program, something like that. So, for the DJI Mavic Air regular version, you got this nice little thing in here. It's really tiny. And this is the foot as well as the antenna. So there it is, the DJI Mavic Air, which is really so small compared to my Mavic Pro. You can see the size of it is half of the size and half of the weight, I guess. So, as it is nighttime in Hong Kong, so I'm not going to fly this guy right now, but I'll get it charged, and very soon I'll be flying this thing. Oh, this gimbal protector is way more easy than this one. You know, when I take this one out and I have to click it back, it's quite a mess always. I better use my right hand, which is what I usually do. So it's very complicated, very troublesome. But for this one, the propeller guard is just so easy. You just clip this thing and then it goes out. And you just put it back and push it. And with the click, you're gone. And this is the battery. I guess it's not yet charged. And you slide this little thing on the side and you'll get this battery out. Speaking of the battery, the difference is not that significant compared to the whole drone. You need to slide it from the back side and click. So you got these sensors, and sensors, and you can put your USB-C cable here and SD card as well. So I think it's, yeah, I'll fold it out and compare the size again. Yeah, I guess you better get the right way to slide in the legs because it's somehow blocked by this rear leg. Yeah, so look at it. It will be so much easier to carry out on a daily basis. And this is the remote controller. Pretty much the same, but you got this little stick here that you can screw it on. You got one wheel on the back wheel, and you don't have all those extra buttons that you got with the Mavic Pro remote controller. Yeah, and it's pretty much everything like this. So when you're done flying, you can just click it back and screw this little thing out, put it there. This design is genius, I think. I'm always afraid of hurting the sticks when I carry this Mavic Pro remote controller. So I guess this is everything, and thanks for watching, and I hope I can get this thing flying soon. This is very exciting. I look forward to its picture qualities and how it can stand with wind and all of those new quick shot modes. Yeah, thanks for watching.